Let Lok reassembly instructions. One of the big advantages of Let Lok tube fittings is that they can be assembled, disassembled, and reassembled many times without compromising performance. Prior to disassembling any fitting, isolate and completely depressurize the system. Never bleed system pressure by loosening a fitting. Mark the position of the nut in relation to the fitting body and mark the tube at the end of the nut. These marks ensure that we can return the nut to the original position later during reassembly. Disassemble the nut. Insert tube with pre-assembled ferrules into the fitting body until front ferrule rests firmly in the fitting body. Hold fitting body firmly with a wrench or vise and rotate the nut finger tight. Using a wrench, return the nut to the original assembled position so that the marks on nut and body align. Tighten slightly with a wrench until a sharp rise in torque is felt, around 1 degree to 2 degrees.